Good morning, students. Today we will start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 15, average. And this is the last chapter of half-yearly course. And this chapter will help you in the assessment activity given yesterday. So watch it carefully, complete your activity depending on this chapter. So let's start. First of all, we should know what is average. Average means if we are having the data for 4 days, 5 days or more, then we have to find out ki what is the daily average of that thing. For example, here this person is catching the fish for the following 5 days. First day 4, next day 2, then 5, then 3, then 6. So we cannot find out ki how much fish he is catching daily. So we have to find out the average of that. Now how will we find out? We have to add all these, the number of fishes, and we will divide the number of fishes with the number 5 because 5 numbers are given here. So 5 days he catch the fish. So first of all we will add all these numbers and then we will divide with 5. So let's start with the exercise. See here. Average means sum of the numbers divided by the number of addends. Addends means the number which are going to be added. जितने भी नंबर ऐड हो रहे हैं वो सब addends कहलाते हैं. So to find the average, add the numbers and divide the sum by the number of the addends. जितने भी numbers आपको दिए गए हैं उन सबको आप add कर देंगे. और how many numbers are given to you? Number of आपको जितने भी दिए हुए हैं वो सब addends कहलाएंगे और उससे divide लगाएंगे. So let's start with an example. Find the average of the following. This is the exercise 15, question number 1A. So we have to find out the average of these three numbers. So formula of average is sum of number divided by number of addends. So sum of number is 3 plus 4 plus 5. इन तीनों को sum कर देंगे. जितने भी नंबर आपको given हैं उनको प्लस कर देंगे. एंड नंबर कितने हैं? 1, 2 और 3. 3 numbers are given to you, then we have to divide the number with 3. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12 and 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. That means daily 4 का average होगा. Next question, C part. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. इन सभी नंबर का average निकालना है. The formula is same, sum of numbers divided by number of addends. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 is 66. And कितने numbers हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers हैं, so we will divide 66 with 6 equals to 11. So 11 is the average of all these numbers. Next question is this, part E. What is the average of these numbers? So first of all, we have to add all these numbers. Addition of all these numbers is 91. And how many numbers are given to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are given. So we have to divide 91 with 7. That is equals to 13. So this is the average of all these numbers. Next question is question 2, part C. Find the average of first 5 multiples of 3. Multiples means table of 3. तो first 5 multiple of 3 कौन से होंगे? 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15. These are the first 5 multiples of the table of 3. So we have to find out the average of all these numbers. So first of all we will add all these numbers, we will get 45. And as it is asked first 5 multiples, 5 नंबरों का पूछा है तो divide by 5. 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. So this is the average of first 5 multiples of 3. Next question is part B. Find the average of first 5 prime numbers. As you must be knowing prime numbers, we have done in the chapter number 6. The first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. All these are the prime numbers. So first of all we have to find out the average. Add all, we will get 28. And 5 prime numbers are there, so we have to divide it with 5. So 28 divided by 5. सी हियर, अब 5 की टेबल में 28 तो नहीं आता, 5 5 ज़ा 25, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 3, अब ये 3 रिमाइंडर बच रहा है, तो वी विल टेक अ डेसिमल, और डेसिमल लेने के बाद हम एक 0 ले सकते हैं, सो 5 6 ज़ा 30, अब ये 30 हो गया डेसिमल लेने के बाद, तो 5 6 ज़ा इज 30, अब 30 डिवाइड हो गया कंप्लीटली, आंसर आ गया 5.6, सो फर्स्ट 5 प्राइम नंबर्स का एवरेज हो गया 5.6. Now this is the question number 3, it's a word problem. Here it is given, a barber is there and he gave haircuts in a week. So these are the number of the haircuts given on Sunday to Saturday. So we have to find out what is the average haircut in the week. एक वीक में उसने कितने हेयर कट्स दिए, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो ऑन संडे ही हैज गिवन 40, मंडे 26, ट्यूसडे 0, वेडनेसडे 35, थर्सडे 25, फ्राइडे 31 and Saturday 32. These are the haircuts given by the barber on the different days of the week, and we have to find out the average now. So first of all we will add all these numbers, we will get 189. And number of days, how many days are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 7 days haircut दिया इसने. So 189 divided by 7 is equals to 27. That means that barber has given 27 haircuts on an average in that week. Now the next question, this is the question number 4. This is given here. These are the marks of the mathematics test of the 20 students. Marks are given to you, it is given in the book also. So here is the first question. Find the average marks of the student of class. बच्चों के average marks कितने आए? तो what we have to do, we have to add all the marks of the 20 students and we will divide that with 20. तो सभी marks को add करके आया 675. अब बच्चों का नंबर है 20, तो 20 से हमें इसे डिवाइड करना है. तो सी हियर 23 ज़ा 60, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 7, वी विल टेक डाउन दिस 5, दिस विल बिकम 75. अगेन 23 ज़ा 60, 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now 15 will not divide in the table of 20. So we will take a decimal and then we will take 1 0 here, it will become 150. 27 ज़ा 140. Now subtract it out, we will get 10. Decimal is already there, so we can take 1 0 here. It will become 100 and 25 ज़ा is 100. So completely it is dividing here 33.75. 33.75 marks one of the student is getting as an average mark. Now the next question is, how many students scored marks more than the average marks? Means 33 marks से ज़्यादा marks किन किन बच्चों के आए हैं, उन बच्चों के हमें नंबर देखने हैं. So see here, 33 से ज़्यादा कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 students scored marks more than 33. Next question they are asking, how many students scored marks less than the average marks? तो 20 बच्चे हैं, 20 में से 11 students माइनस करें तो 9 students scored marks which is less than 33. I have marked it here as a circle. See here, 33 से कम वाले marks circle में हैं. 28, 17, 30, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 और 9. In this way 9 students scored the marks less than 20. Now the question is asking, how many students scored marks equal to the average marks? अभी किसी बच्चे के 33 मार्क्स हैं क्या? इस पूरे मार्किंग में आपको 33 मार्क्स कहीं भी नहीं दिखेंगे. So none of the student got 33 marks. So this is the questions which we have to do in our classwork register. Now this is the homework provided to you and this you have to do in your homework copy. One of the question is given from the worksheet. Question number 1 of the worksheet you have to solve in the homework copy. And this is the end of the chapter also. We will skip rest of the questions and listen how to find out the average of the height of the family members. As I told you in the activity, that you have to measure the height of the 4 members and then you have to find out the average. So it is a guideline for you that you have to measure the height in centimeter or meter only. आपको अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स की हाइट या तो सेंटीमीटर में मेजर करनी है या मीटर में मेजर करनी है, एंड देन एड द हाइट्स and divide by 4 because we are asking for the 4 family members only. तो एडेंट्स हैं 4, 4 लोगों के आपको हाइट्स मेजर करनी है और उसको 4 से डिवाइड लगाना है. हाइट शुड बी मेजर्ड ओनली इन सेंटीमीटर और मीटर. इट इज बेटर इफ यू विल मेजर इन सेंटीमीटर, then you will get no problem. Then make a table and you have to find out the height of the average height of the family members. How you will make the table? In this way, like here you will write down the name of the family members and here you will write down the height, like your father's name, height of the father in centimeter, mother's name, height of the mother in centimeter, then your brother or your sister or yourself. So यहाँ आपको नाम लिखने हैं 4 फैमिली मेंबर्स के और यहाँ उनकी हाइट लिखनी है, and then you have to find out the average. In this way you have to do, and this question I have given in the homework also. Cross this, but you have to solve this. That's it for today. Thank you.